is our PL-20 machine. We will be demonstrating some installations, different installations with this machine. Semi-automatic machine, that means that it feeds your grommets through the channel automatically, but your washers would have to be fed manually. You just toss in your washer, slides down the chute, meets the bottom die. I will be performing some test installations after a little bit of a demo on the machine. You turn it on and off buttons here. This will generate your brushes to spin up on the hopper when you need to manually feed it at necessary times. Your emergency stop button. My first demonstration will be with washers. I just tossed it in. That's the one with washers. And then I'm going to demonstrate it without washers. The eyelet way. Basically, it curls up to a clean setting, just like that. Okay. And then we also will include with every machine daisy dye is what we call, which allows it to flare in the back. And it's a quick change. You just change your bottom die only. What you do is you just unscrew your safety mica cover. Just like that, just quickly. You turn off your machine, always keep it off before you put your fingers anywhere near it. Undo your hopper. You have a little Allen screw right here that you kind of loosen only to release your bottom die. You remove it. You remove your die. You place your bottom, oh, you have an adapter in there, don't forget that needs to come out too. Place your paper eyelet or daisy die. You tighten your screw. Put your machine back with the spring. Okay. Always put your safety guard back on. I'm just going to do a quick attachment here. We want this on for safety reasons. Okay, there we go. Quickly tighten that. And then we're going to be performing the daisy installation. This one will be... Oh, I forgot to open the emergency button. There we go. This is our final daisy setup. So this is with a washer. Without washers, daisy dies, daisy bottom dies. These two are done on a standard die with washers, without washers, and then you change the bottom die to a daisy die and perform this one.